this is Sia from Jinan MISHI Machinery. Describe, comment, and like. Then you can get $50 coupons. And this is 86 C02 with loading and unloading tables. And you can see this is 86 spindles. This is 9 kilowatt. And you can see this is disc tool magazines with 12 tools. You can see can auto tool change. And you can see this is Syntec control system. It's very professional. And you can see this is loading tables, and it will loading the panels, and then it can loading the panels here. And this is unloading tables. When you finish the cutting, it will help you unloading the panels. This machine specialized in furniture making. You can see this machine for wood panel cuttings, and this is the sample.